Hi everyone, welcome to my test bench one more time. Today on the test bench I have Charles's number 3 pellet stove controller. It's a QuadraFire 230-0120. Charles sent me this one because the igniter was not working on it. So I traced down the problem, I replaced the failed component, and now it is fully functional. I've already gone through a few checks with it. I'll note that the green light will come on at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The red light comes on at about 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. I've checked the 2-minute auger timer and the 10-minute timer, and both of those are fully functional. I've also checked the element timer, and that works, and a few other things that I normally do beforehand. So from a maintenance point of view, this one is fully functional. So I'll go ahead and do some testing on it now. I have my thermocouple simulating 42 degrees Fahrenheit, and the thermostat is not calling for heat. You can't see it in the video, I should make that lead a little longer, but it's not calling for heat. So if I were to call for heat by moving the thermostat up, 2 lights should come on. One is the one that simulates the igniter right here. This one simulates the combustion or fire fan, or the combustion fan, and this one simulates the auger. I will note that the convection fan, the red one, will not come on in this test because that is controlled by the furnace itself, and I have no reason to install that on my tester. So I'm going to go ahead and call for heat, and we'll watch those 2 lights come on. And there they are. So now the auger is functioning, we're calling for heat, and so is the igniter. And since I've done that, some of these timers come into play, and that's the cycle of the machine. So I'm going to go ahead now and turn up the temperature I'm simulating, and we'll watch the lights on the back of the controller come on. So I'll go up to about, I said 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's crank that up. 250, 270, there the green light came on. Notice 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And then if I keep cranking, I'm looking for 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. And when I do that, that should turn off the igniter. There, 1200 back. So that is all fully functional, just the way that it should be. So I'll crank down the temperature some more, go back to room temperature. Charles, I want to thank you very much for sending me these controllers. It's number 3 this time. I appreciate it very much. For all you other viewers, if you have a QuadraFire pellet stove controller of your own that you need some repair work done to, please check the information for this video. There you'll find my contact information. I'd be happy to speak with you and to try to do some troubleshooting, and if required you can send me your controller and I'll do the repairs that are necessary to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and if you can, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube here. I'd appreciate that very much. Charles, thank you very much. Everyone, thanks. Have a good night.